Hello and welcome back to InStream Trades. Today we will talk about yield farming. What is it? Yield farming is a kind of investment strategy which involves landing or staking your cryptocurrency coins or tokens to get rewards in form of transaction fees or interest. Technically, it's like lending money to the bank. But instead of the bank, you are lending money to the cryptocurrency exchange. According to Google, here are the main top yield farming projects. Number 1 is Uniswap. Then we have a PancakeSwap. The main difference between these exchanges is the protocol they work on. For example, Uniswap works on Ethereum while PancakeSwap works on Binance Smart Chain. Personally, I don't use the Uniswap because Ethereum protocol has a very high gas fees, so I prefer to use the PancakeSwap, which work on Binance Smart Chain and the fees there are smaller. Here is the website of PancakeSwap. Go to the main menu and select Earn, and you will find farms and pools. Select pools, scroll down, and you will see different tokens. For example, Cake, which is a native token of the PancakeSwap exchange. Pools is a single asset staking tool. For example, you can stake Cake tokens and receive Cake tokens as a reward. Go ahead and select farms. Here you will find multiple cryptocurrency token pairs, like Cake BNB, BUSD and others. Unlike a single asset staking, in farming you will have to stake two assets. For example, I want to invest $1,000 into Cake BNB farming. In this case, I need to split $1,000 in half and buy $500 worth of Cake and $500 worth of BNB tokens. Then I can provide liquidity for this pair and get my rewards. Please note, farming has a bigger risks than pool staking because farming involves such thing as a possible and permanent loss. There is a link to the video where I talk about possible permanent losses. Also in the next video, I will show you a great strategy on how to double or even triple your money with PancakeSwap pool staking strategy. Please take your time and hit that like button to show us your support. It is free for you and a great motivation for us. Also subscribe to stay updated every time a new video comes out. Thank you for your time.